Hi, so today I want to talk about Joseph Stalin, who is considered the most dangerous dictator of all time. He was born in 1878. His father was abusive. He was born in a very poor family. So his mother ran away with him. He was schooled in a church. He actually left school. He was very great in studies, and that's where he got to know about the left wing revolutionaries such as Karl Marx and was influenced by them. Then, to proceed them, he joined political rallies and political parties and left school in 1899. After that, to gain more political power in the party itself, he committed robberies, even murders for Lenin. And then Lenin formed the Bolshevik Party, and he also is the founding father of USSR. When he died in 1924, there was quite a dispute that who has to be the successor of him. There were two people, Trotsky and Stalin. So what Stalin did was he used all his power, all his manipulative skills, and got Trotsky out of the party. And later he got him killed and even his family members killed. What happened afterwards was in 1928, he introduced the first 5 year plan, which actually aimed at excessive and accelerated industrialization. But for that, he needed a lot of food supply. So he initiated collectivization of agriculture sector, that all the land, छोटे मोटे जो भी हैं farmers के, they should be converted into state controlled, that whatever the state wants, they'll produce that, and the 90% of that produce will go to the elites and 10% will be given to the farmers itself. Then some natural calamities happened over there. Farmers were left with nothing. So, of course, what's gonna happen next? There's gonna be a revolt, right? That led to the Great Purge. Whosoever wanted to revolt against Stalin, they were considered Trotskyites, like counter revolutionaries who didn't agree with the idea which Stalin was, promoting. They were they were called Trotskyites, and they were murdered. There was in the Great Purge, the NKVD was formed. What did NKVD do was it was a secret police in the Soviets, which supervised the labor camps and executed masses. There was a good friend of Stalin, Sergei Kirov. He was gaining a lot of popularity, and because of the Great Purge, the Stalin thought that I'm losing my popularity, Kirov is gaining, I might lose my power. So he got his great friend killed along with his family. That's considered the start of his downfall. But what happened was Hitler happened, World War happened, and he was smart. He won the war. He won World War II. Japan surrendered. Hitler committed suicide. He became a national hero. Stalin became a national hero among all his people, but still his atrocities continued till 1953 when he died. In March 1953, he died. But what happened before that was there's a very funny incident related to it, that in 1945 he was people say that he got some minor heart attack or something, and in 1951 when he was going through his regular health checkup, the doctors said that there's some concern regarding his health issue and he should definitely look into that. But what Stalin did was he thought that this doctor is through the British agency and is plotting something against me, and got the doctor killed and whatnot. So everybody was scared to actually scared of Stalin. If there's also this one more incident of Stalin which I heard about, that if he pronounced a word wrong, then anybody who's gonna give a speech after him has to pronounce that word wrong. Otherwise, it would think that they are trying to correct Stalin, and he'll get them killed. Be it journal, be it anybody, be it so smart, be it anybody who's loyal to him, he'll get them killed. He even, like prison camps which Hitler had, he also got hold of those. Like not the Hitler camps, but he made some gulag gangs, which were prison camps where forced labor was conducted in extreme climates. Many people wanted Stalin to die. sometimes even the history is rewritten and said that Stalin was nice, and in his time only that the revolution happened, and Russia is where it is right now because of Stalin. Otherwise, it would not have gained that much. And it's considered that yes, a lot of people even cried when he died because they really did consider Stalin to be the messiah whatsoever. But yeah, so that's the story of Stalin. That's what I have read. If you know more, just let me know.